Welcome back to Sperm Can Find a Way, crazy ways that people have gotten pregnant. We're going to talk about someone who was pregnant and then added a whole nother pregnancy to it. This extremely rare phenomenon is called superfetation, and it's when you already have one established pregnancy and then a whole nother pregnancy comes along and establishes alongside of it, days to weeks later. Now, this is extremely rare, and we only have a handful of case studies in the literature, and so each one of them was found in a different way. For this patient in particular, she showed up for her early ultrasound in the first trimester, and there were twins in there, but they were measuring 4 weeks apart. Now, you would probably think, well, that second twin isn't doing very well, and it's not all going to work out. But what happened was that they tracked these twins throughout their pregnancy, and both babies stayed on their growth curve just 4 weeks apart. She ended up delivering her twins at 40 weeks for the one twin and 36 weeks for the other twin. Now you're probably asking yourself, like, how does this happen? How do you get even more pregnant than being pregnant? And we have a couple of theories. The first theory is that a second ovulation occurs even though that first pregnancy is already established, and then that second pregnancy just comes in and establishes alongside the first. Second is polyovulation, so several eggs are ovulated and then one establishes and the second one just takes a little while to establish later, days to weeks later, and that's how you end up with twins of different gestational ages. It's pretty wild.